Let's kind of go over this next assignment called e-coupon. So basically, we're going to take your cell phone, take a photo of your cell phone, like it shows the picture below. It says so. This is not me, but a picture of you hanging on your cell phone, kind of at an angle, not directly above it, not too flat, but so you can see the screen and see your hand. Okay, and you're going to be designing a coupon, an e-coupon, based on some criteria. All right. But first says we had to first figure out the size of our document to create. So we'll do that. Then it says to spend a few minutes surfing online for coupons. It says look for a dozen or so coupons. All right. Notice what they all have in common. Do they all have maybe a store name? Do they have a deal? Do they have expiration date? Are they colorful? Are they bland? What are they? All right. It says notice what makes them catch your eye, because basically someone's job out there is to design this coupon to first catch your eye, to make you want to look at it and make you want to read it. If it was a boring coupon, you might swipe and say next, next, next. Okay, so what do you notice about the coupon that catches your eye? All right, because when it catches your eye, of course you're going to read it and maybe want to use it. Is it a store that you frequent? Is it a deal? What is it? That's the key, is what is going to catch your eye, what's going to kind of make you want to buy this or use this coupon. All right. So you're going to build your own coupon. It can be about anything you can think of. Just make sure it's course school appropriate. All right. Yes, you're at home doing distance learning, but still you're submitting documents in for us to grade on Schoology. Let's keep it Miss Johnson approved. The deal can be a buy one, get one, or a buy one, get two, buy one, get seven free coupon, percentage off, or it could be for some kind of a coupon to get out of doing homework, detention, front of the lunch line, something. It says to push your imagination. All right. So we need to have, of course, the store that your coupon's redeemable at. It could be a real store, it could be a fake store. You can kind of decide on that. Some kind of deal as far as what you receive. Is it a buy one, get one, percentage off? Must be clearly stated on the coupon. All right. An expiration date, that's got to happen because it can't go on forever and ever and ever and ever. Some kind of a picture or image of the deal. Maybe it's going to be for maybe a pair of shoes. Well, the photo of the shoe or a shoe should be on there, right? To help the coupon kind of have some cohesiveness. Some sort of scannable item. My guess is you show the coupon to the sales clerk at the store. He or she will look at it, scan it, and then the deal is applied. You could use a barcode like you did for your student ID, a UPC code or a QR code. How do you find those? Same way you found them for the student ID. All right. So the finished product must meet or exceed all projects and the student ID combined. So you want to get a little bit more creative, a little more clean, a little more crisp in your designs. Okay. It says then to place the finished coupon onto the image of your phone. So you're taking your phone and kind of taking your finished product and putting your image on the phone. How? You upload your hand picture to Pixlr, open your coupon, select all, edit copy, come here, edit paste, free transform, make it fit that image. Okay, let's figure it out this year about our screen size. All right, it says to measure with a ruler the exact dimensions of your screen, and then we got to figure out how to find it in Pixlr, because Pixlr uses pixels, doesn't use inches, and it uses 300 pixels per inch. Let's give it a try. So I found my phone. I found my phone. I have it's a 4.25 inch wide by 2.5 inch. Wait, 4.25 tall, 4.25 tall, 2.5, 2.5. So if it's 4.25, it's 4.25 times 300. And then I have 2.5 times 300. And then if I do the math, 4.25 times 300, I've got 1275. So 1,275 pixels by 2.5 times 300. It should be easy in your head, right? No? Yes? Come on, 750. Okay. That's my document size. So I need to go 1275 by 750. So I'm going to go to Pixlr, create new image. I'm going to go 1275. What was it again? Good. 750. You're listening. 750. Hit OK. So here is my phone. And I'm thinking my coupon, I want to go horizontal, not vertical. I'm going to read the store name and scan it. If I want mine to go vertical, I'd have flipped out my numbers. I would have went, I can go with image, rotate canvas, 90. Now here's my phone the correct way. My phone is 2.5 wide, 4.25 tall. Either way works. You pick your layout, okay? So you pick your layout on that. Can I go, let me zoom a little bit. Maybe I can't. Let me go back. Hold on. Patience. We'll figure it out. Oh, right about there. So this is going to be my coupon. I don't want to get a whole lot done today on this. I kind of want to do some searching online for some coupons to figure out what I want. And I want to kind of go, let me lock it back in again. All right, so I'm thinking here is, might have the store name maybe somewhere up here. Okay. Maybe I might use a background image, kind of like we did with the previous project we did. Remember your student ID? I might have some kind of a background image, fill this whole section here. Maybe it's going to be, I don't know, it could be for food, sporting equipment. I'm not sure yet on that. It's a background image of some sort. And then, let's go back. I'm thinking maybe, I want a QR code. So somewhere, maybe a QR code parked here somewhere. Maybe the text about here's my deal. It's going to be an expiration date maybe. This kind of looks kind of like a student ID kind of sort of how you build it. You build the background. You add a name, like here's be your school name, but here's a store name, a background, the text like you did for your name and your grade. This will be the text of the deal. A QR code is a lot like the Code 39 generator. Press type in free online QR code generator, and more text. So that's going to be kind of my starting point. It's just kind of get a rough idea figured out for your student ID, for your e-coupon. So I'd say today's goal is to at least get, hold on, let's get out of there, come back. I'm going to at least get a photo taken, be a good thing. I'd probably get the document created, okay, and then spend some time getting your deals figured out. So if you get that much done today, I think we're okay. So I wouldn't worry about getting the whole thing built. Kind of get your picture, the size created, some deals figured out, and maybe even get like a little an idea for it. Like what do you want to lay out? Okay, so begin with that, and we'll carry on more next time.